Welcome back to another day, another vlog, another nasty vlog. What is up, guys? I know you guys have missed me. So anyways, I got some big things for the 240. If you remember before, I had said that there's things coming, changing to the front part, you know what I'm saying? So I finally got them. Here they are, my 2 boxes. I already opened one because I'm impatient and I actually wanted to see what part I got. So it is nighttime right now. It's dark, okay? So there's reason for that. 1, I worked today and I fell asleep and then I just woke up, so I'm barely about to do the mods right now. 2, this mod actually helps out with the nighttime. So what could it be? Pause the video, comment down below. What do you think it is? There's a hint in the title, so just saying. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I will show you what I got for the 240. Boom. These are new lights. Boom, 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 boom. So I finally got some LED lights. So let's see how these look. They're gonna be on the 240. I got the ones with the bars so that I can actually sleepy eye them and it'll still be bright enough to see. So let's get to it. Alright, so I only finished one right now. Super easy mod. The only thing is, and this is some real ass shit, if something doesn't go wrong when you have a 240, when you're fixing it, you didn't get a 240, you got a fucking blessing. Because I mean, I just had rusty screws, but it's rusty strip screws, but you know what, it's still always something with the 240. Something so simple that only takes like 3 minutes can turn into a much larger project because of that. But let me show you what I did. Old light, new light. Ooh! Look at that, that shit looks sick. Hell yeah. Alright. Look at how much brighter everything is. And that's only one light installed. Can't wait to put the next one on. Alright, let's do it. What's up? Oh shit. Is it my glass? Is that foggy? Or is it my glasses that are foggy?
Oh, your glasses are hella foggy.
Okay, okay. I'm like, bro, I can't see shit. Alright, so we're here at a car meet. We're gonna go swinging later on too. We came with hella fucking cars, so I'm gonna show you guys.
Who's this?
What do you mean, who's this? So we got the Bug Eye, the Evo, 240s. Got the new. Ooh! Hey, did you see this?
Yeah.
I got the new lights.
You had these on, sleepy eye.
I know. I am. This shit's loud. I gotta take a piss though, but you know, it is what it is. Hey, we having a rev off? Hey, my turn?
No, you're good. Don't blow it.
Hey, that's me in the work van, dude. I'm like, it's good if they pay for my fucking gas.
Bro, they switched to the other place now. Yeah, I swear we left it like, hey, y'all good.
Just block that out. That's beach out.
Of course.
Shut up, dude. We were in the car. That's hella funny.
I'm sitting right here. Oh,
Zoom.
you only got one bar on? What do you mean?
Zoom.
You only had the top on.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah, that's the.
They're gonna be preparing for it and shit. High off neck. Here, someone hold this up.
Oh!
I was gonna have a solo photo shoot, okay.
Send it! He's not gonna do it. Yeah, he just got it.
Yeah, this parked like that.
Oh, your rims?
Yeah.
What's up, bro?
What's up?
Hey, those are clean though. I like these way better than the old ones. Alright, so the meat. Dude, let me tell you about this fucking meat. It was boof. So we made it to Costco, which was where we were all orange and shit. And then they told us to go to another spot, so we drove all the way down to that spot. And then there was like 15 of us chilling there. And then they told us like, nah, let's go back to the other spot. And we were like, nah, fuck that shit. That's hella far. So we fucking stayed there, chilled there for a little bit. Little bit. We got a little ratchet there, but you know, nothing too crazy. And now we're here at Chiba Hut. So if you've never been to Chiba Hut, I highly recommend it. This shit's dank as fuck. Look at this.
How do Grubhub drivers?
Literally dank as fuck.
How do Grubhub drivers come out early but show up to your house hella
Ooh! When you need that 75 life. Bro, I'm hella mad. What's up? What's up with it? Dude, I just spilled hella fucking pink lemonade all over myself.
Go wash your hands.
Don't tell me. Look, this is what happens when you're vegan.
Yeah, they're about to bring you some apple juice soon.
I hope so.
This is that vegan life. You eat peanut butter and jelly sandwiches.
And pickles.
And pickle. Dude, you're disgusting.
It's too late for that kind of stuff.
Yeah. Ooh.